All right, we're planning a great trip today. We got all the kayaks all hooked up on Dave's new riggings. And there's Dave. Say hello.
What's up, guys?
We got Jake with us
Hey,
today.
guys.
All right, so we gotta go get Dave a fishing license. We gotta go pick up some lunch, and then we're gonna head to the place where we're going kayaking. So we'll see you momentarily. Woo! All right, we finally made it to the water. We got everything unloaded. These guys are just about ready to jump in theirs. We got a new passenger too, Seth. And yeah, doing like, what is it? When they do like fancy dancing in the water and they're all like, you know, in a pool.
Synchronized swimming.
Yeah, we're doing synchronized kayaking. See how good we are? Everybody's going different directions.
Swimming back and forth, man.
It's gonna be an interesting trip for sure. I've never gone down through here.
No, but you remember the other day when we was metal fishing or whatever there, fucking in that boat.
Yeah.
That boat goes all the way from way over there up to.
Yeah, they came this way too, and then they went so far and they turned around. So
was at Hermon Pond.
there might be some kind of dam up this way.
I'm not sure, but yeah, they started at Hermon Pond. That's where it
Feels like it's pulling
that's why I
us
say
this
it'd
way.
be a little bit better of a longer of a journey, but
We'll be going against the current.
a good start anyways. We could always go back there.
Yeah. The one in the orange shirt, he's our very special friend.
Special ed.
Oh, I see what
Dave, pull over there next to him.
Trying.
Oh.
Yeah, now you see what we're talking about?
Oh, I didn't bring my bobber.
I'm going right there. I just found.
No, it's the bobber for my GoPro. So if it falls in the water, it flips upside down. You can see it bobbing.
Is that really waterproof?
I mean, there's some fishing line. Try this one towards it.
Yeah, I'll just put it on my harness here.
You want to? Here.
Turtle.
His name's Myrtle.
Yeah, that's Myrtle the turtle. Oh, he's getting
I think he
spooked.
just flipped you off.
He waved. Oh, he's going after that bug, that dragonfly.
Oh shit! I got you. You good?
How you doing, Myrtle?
Goes in the middle, but he's pushing the fucking side. Every time I fucking catch my line.
All right. Well,
Sunbathing.
we're gonna leave Myrtle the turtle be. See you later, buddy.
you for a sec. My bad.
Oops.
What?
I didn't see you, but I did.
Feel it?
Oh, you fuck!
What?
He had a big stick. That's not a big stick. A bitch stick?
Dave, we thought you left your tampons in the car.
Fucking
deep spot.
All right, I got a bass. Unfortunately, I didn't get the reeling in part because, yeah, I was reeling it in. Cool. It's too small for me, so we're gonna let it go. Do you guys want to see it or let it go?
I'm good. I see that. It's a good size, ain't it? Wow.
Dave,
Hey.
check it out.
He's got a fin.
I'm letting it go. Nope, he splashed me. Sweet. Hopefully one of these guys is next. See you in a few minutes. Ooh. Simplex heaven right here, dude. I love ledges like that. I love metal detecting the cracks in ledges.
Yep.
Because I'm telling you, dude, you find so much stuff wedged right in there. Because it's so heavy and the water just pounds it in. People think it just fly off, but it don't. Hey, Seth.
What?
Want one of these?
Oh, I probably mentioned
I knew you'd want it. I got two. Special delivery. I got chips and shit too and a sandwich. I'll split with you if you need something.
Yeah, I was probably just gonna fucking run to Dunkin' or something like that and grab a. For my house.
Dude, if we went from, oh, right there, big old fish just jumped right there. He's over here now. He just moved. Look, he's right there making ripples. A big one just freaking jumped over here.
Yeah, a couple little ones, yeah.
All right, we've made it to the entrance to Jackson,
Hermon Pond, yeah.
Hermon Pond, Jackson Beach. And we're gonna go out in a minute.
Oh shit.
I turn the camera on, everybody goes quiet. What the hell?
I was already quiet.
Don't be scared.
It was already quiet.
I like your hat, Seth.
What?
I like your hat.
Yeah.
I actually really do. Like, I've never seen a Boston Red Sox hat that doesn't have red on it.
That's red.
Yeah.
Fuck baseball.
Oh, I can't see. It looks black and white from here.
Usually, yeah, but usually you're right. They have a red
Yeah.
B, yeah.
B. It's mine.
Boy, it's been a good day.
Beautiful.
Beautiful
Yeah.
day.
Weather was supposed to be shitty. It's turned out great.
Yeah.
He even said chances of hail, so maybe it's supposed to be tonight, but it,
Oh,
like,
that'd be awesome.
it showed percentages throughout the day. And
I hope it happens while we're in the kayaks.
it's like 30-40% most of the
Hail?
day.
Does that make me sound crazy? Like that I like look forward to like
kayak?
crazy moments like that?
I'll crawl in mine. I think I got
I
enough
mean,
room.
I don't think I would want to be like out in the middle of it, like right here, but I wouldn't mind being like by the shore or something.
Like I want to go chase tornadoes.
I mean, that would be cool if you had the cool vehicle to do it with. you
Right,
know?
not
We'll
out
get
here.
one.
Save up.
YouTube's gonna help us.
Huh?
All these people that are watching right now are gonna help us.
They're gonna help us.
Yeah, they're gonna help
Chase
us.
the tornado?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a GoFundMe. Aaron needs money fund.
Aaron and his friends need money.
Yes,
for it.
exactly. Yep.
Thank you.
We make do with what we got though. That's why we're awesome. You know?
Yeah.
Get it, you fucking ass. You should have hit it and done it. He was flying past you. I don't give a fuck. You can edit that shit.
I know, I'm leaving it.
Fuck you, man. Alright, you're skipped.
So Seth,
What?
how's the trip been so far?
It's been pretty good, man.
Dave?
That's cool.
Dude, it's been the shittiest trip I've ever had, man. I don't want to keep it broken.
This dude is bitch since we fucking
Dave's the one
left
who
the
fucking
house.
Definitely
drove,
mental
so what is he
cycle week.
saying?
Yeah. If there was a girl in the group, I'm sorry, Dave, it would be
They
you.
don't point to me, of course.
You bitched this morning over a hot sandwich.
Dude, I would have made
Dad almost killed us at the
you one at
intersection.
my
I
house.
would have needed a Snickers, man, if you didn't give me a Snickers.
Dude, I
didn't
would
have it.
We went to.
everything at my house. I would have made you.
That's it. I'm not kayaking with you anymore.
You offended me, guys. Fuck off. Screw you.
All right, we'll see you in a minute. We gotta get out of this fucking swamp hole that Dave dragged us into.
Man, nobody into this. We just floated here.
I'm impressed at how you guys are flying.
Oh, thanks.
You guys are like perfectly right together.
Many years of practice, probably.
It's a nice canoe too. Especially against the wind.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
How's the fishing?
I caught one bass down the stream that way.
Anything of any size?
Nah, I let it go. It was little.
I almost caught something, but it caught bounced off my hook.
I really like that canoe. That's nice.
That is nice.
Old Town. It's an Old Town.
Yeah.
This they did
Can't
a
go wrong with
special
Old Town.
edition.
How old is that?
This is I think 2009, but it's a special. They did a 150-year anniversary edition. That's what this
Yeah, I
is.
was gonna say those
Wow.
look that looks a little fancier than what they had at Ski Racket Sports when we went up and bought these two.
You guys don't mind me recording you, do you?
Oh no.
Okay, I have a YouTube channel. I'm local.
It's called the Kuru, K-O-R-U.
Oh, nice.
Number 13 of what, 25?
Yep.
Wow. Yeah, I really like that. It's nice.
Those are nice. I like
Have
the
a good day,
design.
gentlemen.
Yeah, you guys have a good day. Thank you for that. Been the best day of kayaking so far. The air is, everything's just perfect. The temperature, everything going on. We're heading towards this side. It's been a pretty nice day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
It's gonna roll.
All right, so tell everybody what you're gonna do.
I'm basically gonna attempt to get out and back into my kayak. You know, see if I could do it. You know, without causing too much of a mess. I'm hoping I don't lose nothing here.
I ain't got nothing valuable in the kayak, so if it flips over,
Huh?
give me your glasses and stuff that's in the kayak.
Well, hold on. All right, we'll be right back.
Yeah, we didn't think this far into this. Just a sec.
All right, here we go.
All right, hold on. Okay, so we got everything cleaned out of the kayak now. Go ahead and tell them what you're doing.
All right, so I'm gonna attempt to get out of and back into my kayak without flipping it. Eventually, I'm gonna have my own gear so I can do this without having to worry about losing any of my stuff. I'll make sure it's all secured, but I wanna see if I can do it right now without anything getting lost. So here we go, guys. We're going in. Ooh, that feels good.
This could be a mistake. It's good training though. Grab that can, throw it in. Grab that can right behind you and throw it in. Twist the T. You good?
Just hold on to it. I'll get it.
Okay.
All right, I'll get it. There's got to be a way to do this right. Like that.
All right, we did it.
I mean, next time I won't have to hold it. But
Well, that was a good first try, man.
Yeah.
First time you've ever done that with your kayak, and
No.
you know, it's impressive.
So, I'll get the shit back from you.
All right.
Call it good.
We did it.
Thank you guys.
Next time it's my turn. All right. So we're rolling up on Dave here. He just caught his first fish of the year.
That fish followed that fucker all the way up. I think they're very small. I don't know if this fish is going to survive.
That's a tiny little bass.
Yeah,
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Where I hooked, look where I hooked him.
Oh, my fishing pole. Hold on.
Tiny little bass.
Oh, yeah, I think he'll live.
You think he'll live?
Yeah, so, oh, sorry. I'm trying to hold the camera and do all this at once.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he'll live. Let me see him.
I hooked him right through
He's
his
still
eyeball.
flapping.
Let him go.
You run him back and forth like this.
Yeah.
And then you let it go.
You going?
Yeah, it's gone.
Cool.
Yeah, he lives. He'll bleed a little bit, but he'll heal.
Yeah.
I caught him.
Good job, man.
Yeah.
First fish, bud.
First
Woo.
fish of the year.
How's it make you feel?
Actually, I feel kind of good. You know, a little tiny.
Excellent.
Just fishing, man. Relaxing.
But that small one's gonna lead to a bigger one.
Absolutely.
Good job.
I just need to get away from this shit.
Yep. All right. Well, I thought he had one. Ended up being seaweed. Good stick fish though. First one of the day.
It felt exactly like one, dude. Caught it.
All right. We'll see. Fishing with Dave. There are fish in the stream, and he's trying to catch. Will he catch? I do not know.
Dun, dun, dun.
Wizard of Oz tree. The Wizard of Oz tree. That thing is crazy looking. That is sick. I told him to put it in the boat. It's not in the boat yet. He's got a fish. Let's go check it out. Wasn't trying to be a jerk. Just never leave it hanging like that, because that's how shit happens. Looked like I was fighting like a bass.
I think it is a bass, yeah. Yeah. Ah, something's wrong with my drag or something. It's like every time
Too
I
tight?
tried to pull the pole in, the line just kept going out.
Yeah, it's not tight enough.
I tried it and it's not working. I tried twisting that fucker as hard as I could and it's still not.
All right, let's see what he's got here.
I'm getting a new one.
Yeah, it's a bass.
Yep, nice bass.
Yep.
Got him.
Hold on, I'll hook that hook.
Yep.
Here.
All right, guys. Oh, my first bass of the
About the
year.
same size as Dave's he caught up there.
Yeah, about the same size.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just gonna do catch and
That was
release.
actually not through the eye.
No, it wasn't. I saw that
That was a
afterwards.
decent catch.
I saw that
All right, we're
afterwards.
gonna let him go.
Yeah, we're just catching and releasing
We'll
today,
record
guys.
this.
There he goes. Should have given one an underwater shot, huh?
Yeah, go ahead.
Is he still in there?
Yeah, he's getting air in his
Don't worry. I'm not gonna. Oh,
He's done.
you might have got it.
Good job, Jake.
Yeah, more right here. Fucking right. There's more right up.
Yeah, we've all caught a fish.
Go by it. All right, guys.
New spot here.
That's Aaron. We got Seth. And we got Dave.
What the
And-
fuck that is?
This guy. And like I said, we're at a new spot. We're gonna head down. hopefully catch some more footage, something cool. Enjoy this day. Catch you guys later. Why? Where are you going?
If I go to the truck, I gotta have the beer.
Ouch! No, I'm headed that way, Aaron. So we're a little further down. Dave and Aaron pulling up the rear. We got Seth up front. Oh, we just cleared a branch. Look at that. Wasn't paying attention. Could have had a catastrophe. Could have punctured the hull.
You could have sank.
You would have gone down like a
And
Titanic.
Titanic fast. And you would have saved the beer, and I would have drowned. So,
Well, Dave's right next to you.
what?
Somebody's gonna save the beer, somebody's gonna save you.
You're gonna save
Dave's
the beer.
next-
Nobody's saving me.
No, he can save himself, obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah, you saw it in the video before.
He's a going.
Yeah, I know how to save myself. So yeah, I want to show you. At some point, we may be running into a little bit of rain, guys. But I just wanted to get you a little snippet, and we'll be back. Aaron, got anything to say?
Let's go.
Don't forget to subscribe
Oh,
and like.
Yeah, do
Yeah,
that.
well, whatever.
Do that.
Yeah, yeah.
Comment on how good looking I am.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and Seth,
Seth
he's
wants to
married
know-
though,
Seth
but he's
wants to
still
know
damn
if
good
If
looking.
he's got the man as a dad bod, or if he's a little bit out of shape. Please let us know.
All right. I wish I knew how to zoom. It's not getting a very good. Well, we got some eagles up here, right?
Oh, dude, you guys, we're having the best moment right now. This is the best moment of the whole day. The wind coming in, the storm.
Oh yeah, there's a couple eagles up here. You guys probably cannot see them. Unfortunately, I have not learned how to do quick zooming or any shit like that, so I apologize. But we are definitely riding into a storm. Feels good. We got the breeze at our back for some reason. Riders on the storm. Forward, there's a lightning strike. So yeah, we're turning around. We've decided the lightning is coming straight down and a few miles away. So we're gonna play it safe. The wind keeps changing direction. So you can see Dave's making a quick exit. He is definitely getting the hell out of here. Us, we aren't as worried, but hey, you know what? It is what it is. Better to be safe, right, guys? Well, you know, put it on your thing. Hey. Yo, it's recording. Woo! It is raining,
Rain
guys.
is coming down!
Wave is flushing up to top speed.
Woo!
Oh, the wind's taking me, dude.
It actually feels fucking great!
Oh, yeah!
Hold your paddle like this.
Yeah! The wind's taking me. But I'll paddle faster. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a little hard to paddle and record, but... Man. What's wrong with it?
Oh yeah, that rain came out of nowhere. I love it. Perfect Memorial Day, day one, kayaking. We're good friends. Pouring rain. Fuck yeah, she got interesting real quick. I'm glad I wasn't in charge. Oh yeah, we would have been way out there.
I wouldn't have had a problem. If I'd had my Ranger, I'd really have no problem.
Well, when you guys are ready for excitement, we'll go. Because I'm not, like, I honestly,
It doesn't bother me.
it's not
If
bad.
it happens, it's meant to happen, right?
Yeah, that's how you, but you gotta get into those situations to learn those situations. So maybe I'm looking for death, but I'm really not. It's just that you gotta show people that you're not really gonna fucking just die because you hear lightning or thunder or anything. It's just, you gotta fucking experience it and be able to learn to judge it on your own. And if you never do it because you turn around instantly, then you give up. If you give up every time, you're never gonna learn fucking nothing.
We're all going to do it.
Everybody learned something tonight on their own power, and that's what I'm happy about. You know what I mean? Everybody learned something tonight that they didn't know. It doesn't matter what it is, it's just, that's important.
Dude, I already slowed down. The only thing I don't like being next to is that big metal fucking culprit.
Oh, you're fine.
I know.
It's raining like crazy. I got mine hooked up in the back and Dave's hooked up on this side. They got a strap already on the other side over here. But this has been the best damn day with the best group of guys. And hey, we're getting ready to, I think, head to Seth's man cave. So maybe we'll get you a little bit of footage there. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy Memorial Day. Peace.
So guys, we are at a undisclosed location. I hope you can see me. We're gonna end the video. I'm gonna end the video for you. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Aaron's indisposed of. Won't tell you why. But we got poured on hard and the lightning came down pretty good. So we decided to pack it up, move to a different, like I said, undisclosed location, and just chill for a little bit before we head home. All right, you may see Aaron do a little snippet, depends, but if not, I am gonna sign off for us tonight. All right, have a good one.